In just a few minutes a day, you can create high-quality football news videos that attract thousands of views, likes, and comments. As your channel grows, so will your influence, credibility, and even your bank account. But here's the catch. Creating great content is just the beginning. To really grow your channel, you need to optimize it for maximum visibility, engagement, and monetization. Take a look at what I created using these simple tools.
Erling Haaland has praised new Manchester City signing Omar Marmoush, saying he has something special after the Egypt star's debut against Chelsea. Marmoush made an immediate impact, troubling Chelsea's backline with his speed and attacking instincts, and Haaland believes he will be a fantastic player for City. Despite having a goal ruled out for offside, Marmoush showcased his intent with a thunderous shot that narrowly missed the target. Haaland's comments came after City's 3-1 win over Chelsea, which pushed them into fourth place in the Premier League standings, and he is looking forward to playing with Marmoush in upcoming games, including a crucial Champions League encounter against Club Brugge.
Mind-blowing, I must confess. With this exciting and freaky update, it feels really good to be back. Now let's dive into creating viral football news videos that'll make you a rock star in the world of sports content creation. As your host, I will guide you through this wild journey. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the secrets to creating football news contents that'll rake in views with a high rate of engaging audience and get monetized. After discovering their secret method, I knew I had to try it for myself. Imagine getting monetized on YouTube, or going viral on TikTok, or even building a massive following on Facebook. It's all possible with these simple yet powerful techniques. For example, have you seen channels with individual creators like Football News, which have a number of 471,000 subscribers, and they are making around $47,000 to $753,000 every single month with their most popular video, having 1 million views and 19,000 views on their last post? What about Ball Blitz with 717,000 subscribers, and they are making roughly $9,000 to $152,000 monthly basis with their most popular video, having 13 million views. They're all creating engaging football content and growing their channels exponentially using this exact simple method. And with these free AI tools, you can do the same with just your phone or laptop. So I gave myself just 6 hours to completely learn everything these big channels are doing. And let me tell you, what I found was shocking. They're using AI tools in the simplest way with just using your smartphone, and I'm about to show you their entire secrets in less than minutes. So stick around till the end and grab your favorite cup of coffee. First things first, we need to find the latest and trending football news released not more than 12 hours ago. And let's be real, who has time to scour the internet for hours? Not me, that's for sure. That's why we're going to use the dynamic duo of Google and Twitter to source our scripts. Head over to Twitter and type in the name of the team or player you want to feature, like Manchester City or Kevin De Bruyne. Scroll through the tweets and find the most engaging and relevant news to base your video on, which look interesting and recent. Click on it. After that, then copy the entire article and paste this article into a doc or any document reader of your choice, just for compilation purposes. Easy peasy, right? Now, here's the important part of it and the easiest of them all. We need to rewrite these articles to avoid any copyright strikes. We don't want to get in trouble for using someone else's work without permission in order not to get demonetized, making our hard work go in vain. By rewriting the article, we're not only avoiding copyright issues, but we're also adding our own unique spin to the content. It's a win-win. Let's head over to ChatGPT and then copy and paste the already compiled article. Ask the AI to rewrite it in a fun and engaging tone using this prompt, and voila! You've got a brand new article that's all yours. Let's move on to voiceovers. The icing on the cake, the cherry on top, you get the idea. We'll use claptools.com, an amazing free AI tool, to create voiceovers that sound like they were recorded by a pro without having to use 11 Lab, which I recommend if you have the money for it. And the thing about 11 Lab is that it comes with customizable, which you can choose from a wide range of voices, including different languages, accents, and styles. You can even create your own custom voice and a lot more if you are capable financially. Do me a favor, sign up with the link in the description below with a discount price. Now let's head over to Clap Tools. From the home page, you will see options to select from, but here is the magic hidden fruit. Just click on the TikTok option and scroll over to TikTok voice generator and paste your scripts. The downside of it is that it allows 400 characters at a time. Choose a voice that fits your style, as they only have up to 6 professional voices, and adjust the tone, pitch, and pace to perfection. You can even add some subtle emotions to your voiceover to make it sound more human. Give it a try and see how easy it is. Next up, we need to find some awesome footage and visuals to make our video stand out. And guess what? We can use Twitter for this too, and also Google, for they come with copyright-free photos taken all over the world.
Head back to Twitter. When it comes to football, it is hard to have a copyright strike on photos, but not limited to video, as most of them come with copyrights. So if you are adding video footage, then you might want to tweak it by adding some effects. And if you want me to teach you that on how to edit and avoid copyright on clips, then please make your wish well known in the comment section. Head over and search for the team or player you're featuring. Now, click on the search tab and time in your keyword, and browse through the footage. You can also use the image tab to find some amazing images. Download the ones you like, and we'll use them to create engaging visuals in the most fun and exciting way. Just grab a bottle of drink and watch the magic. Easy, right? I got mine already, and I will be showing you in the final editing section. Here we go, and a big congratulations! You made it this far to the editing, the fun part. We'll use any video editing app, CapCut, Filmora, Premiere Pro, an incredible video editing app with After Effects. But for this tutorial, we'll be using CapCut, as it's beginner-friendly to use for anyone without prior experience, to bring our football news video to life. Open your CapCut, or download it if you are not having one yet, or head over to the web version and make yourself comfortable. Now import all your footage and visuals, add some stunning transitions, and slick text overlays with captions to make your video engaging and informative. And finally, do not forget to add energetic sound effect or copyright-free music. Don't worry if you're new to editing. CapCut is super easy to use, and you'll be creating like a pro in no time. And there you have it. With these free AI tools, a dash of creativity, and a passion for football, you'll be creating viral football news videos in no time. Remember, the key to success is to stay consistent, engage with your audience, and always be on the lookout for the latest football news. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there, start creating, and show the world what you're made of. Start posting these videos on various channels like Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and even Instagram Reels. So stay tuned and get ready to take your football content creation to the next level. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment below for more.